friends, welcome back to Tech Release channel. Today we will be walking through two important Linux commands which is related to files. One is touch command and the other one is rm command. So we can create files by using two commands in Linux. One is touch, which creates the file without content, and one more is cat command, which creates the file with content. So today we will be dealing with touch command and rm command. So let's start with the demo for touch command. So the syntax is touch, the file name. So let's see whether the file is created. So the latest file, yes, file is created today, December 26th. Now let me create one more file. So touch allows us to create single file or multiple files at a time. Now I have already showed you how to create a single file. Now let us check how we create multiple files using touch command. Yes, let's see. So we have the files created ff3, ff4 and ff5, which is an empty file created using touch for multiple files. Now let's see the friends, the remove command. Rm command is basically used to remove files or folders specified. So usually basically the syntax will be rm the file name. To remove the single file, it is rm file name. Yes, when we check, the file created is deleted. So similarly, we can remove multiple files from the folder. Let us see how. Rm ff2, ff3, ff4. So let us see the files. Yes, only ff5 is there. So let's create again ff1, ff2. Yes, we have. Let's try to delete that. rm ff2, ff1 and ff5. Yes, I deleted multiple files. So this is how we delete multiple files. Now let's try creating file which is write protected. That is, when files are with write protected, how do we delete the file? So let's check that. Let me create again multiple files, ff1, ff2, ff3 and ff4. Now when I see, yes, we have all the files. Now let me make the files write protected. For example, I am going to change the file 1 write protected. Let's see. Yes, ff1 is write protected now. Let me see how I can delete this. So when the files are write protected, we get a message asking remove write protected regular empty file. Then when we say yes, so file gets removed. So this is how we remove write protected files. Now suppose I have files, for example here when I see I have files called ff2, ff3, ff4. That is, file is starting from ff. Suppose if I have 10 files like this, I can use regular expression and say rm ff start. So when I say rm ff star, I see all the files which is with ff2, 3, 4 gets deleted. That is, files name starting from ff gets deleted. Now let's see how do we delete directories. For example, let me create directory. With name ff2, ff3 and ff4. So now I have directories ff1, 3, 2, 4. Now I want to delete ff1, which is an empty folder. So what I can do is I can use rm minus d ff1. So when I see this, so ff1 folder is being deleted. So this means when I give minus d option, I can delete an empty folder. Now we have one more called rm. So let me create a recursive directory here in ff3 slash f1. So I have a folder called f1 in ff3. Let us check. So I have a folder called f1. So I would like to delete this folder. What I can do is rm. Let me see what happens when I just give rmff3. So it says that it is a directory. We cannot delete like by giving this. So what I can do is I will recursively delete this folder. So it has allowed me to recursively remove ff3 folder. That is, the folder inside ff3 gets deleted. Now let's see what is minus f option. So ll, let me delete a folder, create a folder ff2 slash f2. So now I would like to delete ff2 folder. So what I can do is I can give minus 4. Let's see what happens when I give rm minus 4 ff2. So still it won't allow me to delete ff2 folder. Even I put minus f because it has one more folder inside the directory. So what I have to do is rm minus recursively delete the folder by forcing it. So I say ff2. Yes, it is deleted. Now let us check whether we have ff2 folder. No, we don't have ff2 folder. So ff2 folder has got deleted. So one more we have minus I, which is an interactive minus I ff4. Yes, it is a directory. So what we need to give? We need to give minus r I ff4. So it is interactive. It is asking me whether I have to delete this folder. So when I say yes, yes, this gets deleted. So it is always better if you want to be 100% sure that the folder is what you want is getting deleted. So it is better to give interactive so that we'll be 100% confident in deleting the folder. So friends, there is always a man command which gives you help on a particular command. These are the basic options which I have helped in getting understanding. But we always have a man command which gives help to particular command. For example, man rm, when you give man the command name and say enter, so it displays all the options which is there for remove command. So this is how it is the best learning option to see all the options and practice. Okay, friends, subscribe if it's all good. Then see you again and have a nice time. Bye bye.